Ladies and gentlemen, underneath the table here at the height of 10 inches is a paper towel dispenser. So if you're like a foot and a half tall, this is where you come to get your paper towels. I kid you not, this is the actual height of this item. Whoever had the brilliance and foresight to install it underneath the countertop probably had half a brain cell left. In this video I'm gonna remove it from here and install it elsewhere. This needs no serious preparation here. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are holding this thing in place, and I just took the paper towel roll out. That's all I did. And the last screw here. That's about it. Next I need a Sharpie in my hand, with which I made 4 marks on this stainless steel surface, like this. I hope this makes sense instantly. Okay, so that's where the screws are going. Yeah, when I hold it level there. I'm gonna be using these self-tapping screws. I pre-drilled the holes in stainless steel. This is quite a thick gauge, and I'm also securing it to the base. Some of the drilling is tricky, barely have any space. And for the steel shavings, I have a vacuum here. We're ready for vacuuming. There, I had to secure the base here because the weight of the paper towel dispenser will be pulling this part forward, so it's gonna be as flimsy or as sturdy as it is, but it's gonna be good enough for the paper towel dispenser. I did measure at one point and made sure that from the top of this sheet metal, the first hole is exactly 4.5 inches, so the other side is also 4.5 inches, so it's level. And it just so happens that's 8.5 inches. And I need one more screw. That won't be the washer because I'm going with these large washers. Almost done. And there we go. Now all 4 screws are uniform. And with the paper towel rolled back, I hope you'd agree with me. This is a way more functional height. I think we're done here.